channel, my good friend Aaron Lawson is going to be showing us how to make the perfect prime rib on his griller and smoker with meat from the Lean Times Meat Company located here in Asheville, North Carolina. Stay tuned, it's going to be amazing.
Okay, what we got here is a 12.5 pound prime rib, boneless prime rib from Lean Times Meat Company. Lean Times, a local company that gets area farms and throughout North Carolina and Western North Carolina and brings it to the consumer at a reasonable price, and they have excellent choices of meat. In a moment, I will be rubbing this bad boy down. This is the 23rd of December. I'm doing it the night before, and so this thing can soak up some of the rubs and everything else, and let it finish drying out and everything in the fridge, uncovered, and then I'll bring it out tomorrow and put it on the smoke. But what I'll be using today is a series of rubs from Cosmo Q. You can get these at Ace Hardware. That's where I primarily get them from. I'll be using cow cover, Dirty Bird Hot, and I'm gonna top things off with some Texas beef. These rubs are awesome. I use them on my steaks, hamburgers. They got several other different kinds of rubs. I suggest you check them out over at Cosmos Q. Got a lot of good cooking videos and how-to videos over there as well. Until then, I'll come back and we'll get this bad boy rubbed down. Okay, we're gonna prepare this thing to put it in the fridge overnight. I'm gonna do the rub down. Use a little olive oil here. I'm gonna rub it down. This is a binder. I'm starting on the bottom first. Starting on the, get it rubbed down. Get a little olive oil there. And I like just a little bit there, just if you want it to get on the sides and everything else. Get it all good and rubbed down. Okay, we're going to start first with some, like I told you earlier, some Cosmo Q's cow cover seasoning. Put this on here liberally. Go across the bottom there. We're going to get all over the side. This stuff is amazing. This stuff is absolutely amazing. We're going to get it all over there. And I'm going to continue this all the way across, and then I'll go over on the side. I'll go on the front side of it. Okay, we got, you see, I got it all, the cow cut cover on there. Now I'm going to hit it with some Dirty Bird Hot. Same thing. I'm going to sprinkle it all the way across. Get that rub in there. This is going to come out to make an amazing bark on the prime rib, and tomorrow when we get this done, you'll see. But I'm gonna get this all over it, and I just use on the back side of it. This is the bottom. On the back side of it there, I just use the Dirty Bird or the cow cover and the Dirty Bird Hot. On the rest of it, I'll go with the cow cover, Dirty Bird, and the Texas beef all the way around. I'll come back whenever I get it all done up. Okay, we got her all seasoned up here and rubbed down. Like I said, I got the Cosmo Q's cow cover, Dirty Bird Hot, and on top and the sides I put Texas beef on it, and it'll come out, as you see, after we smoke it, with an amazing bark. And it'll be just phenomenal. Again, I'm going to be putting it into the fridge for approximately overnight. You can do it for at least 12 hours, but I like to always prep it the night before. But minimum of 12 hours, just let it sit covered in the fridge. It'll help it dry a little bit and absorb all this good seasonings and stuff. But anyway, I'll be back tomorrow when I'll take it out a few hours before the cook and let it come up to room temperature. And then we'll be putting it on the smoker out there and giving it a baptizing of some smoke and some heat. Be using a blend of cherry and hickory to smoke this bad boy up. Okay, after overnight there, we're now back out. Got this bad boy fired up. Got it out here on my Pit Boss pellet grill. Got it set at 300. What I'm gonna do is put it in here. Got the probes in, looking for a target temperature of about 120 to 124. Then I'll pull it off at that point. But I got me an extra smoke tube in here with some pellets. I add a little smoke to it. Like I said, I got it rolling at about 300, and she's already in there and fired up, and I'll check on it in about an hour and 15 minutes. Okay, we're back here. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes. We're sitting about 95 degrees internal. Starting to get a good bark on the roast. It's looking good so far. We're just going to keep it going, and hopefully here before too long we're going to have it all done, be able to pull her out, and go from there.
Wow, would you look at that slab of meat? Big thanks to Aaron Lawson for fixing this and filming it for us, and a big thanks to Lean Times Meat Company for supplying the meat. And would you look at that meat candy? That is a beautiful prime rib. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. There's going to be plenty more grilling in 2022.